Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone guys. My name is Siti Narasha binti Shamsul and today I will be showing with you guys about enabling and disabling your network. Firstly, we have to click on the File Explorer and then go to Network, click right and open the properties. As you can see here, I am connected to public network as I am using IIUM students Wi-Fi. Then click on Change Advanced Sharing Setting. And you can see this pop-up come out. So I am not connect. I am connected with network um, Wi-Fi as public network. And as you can see, this my PC cannot be found and be found by other devices because I turn it off. And also, same goes to file and printer sharing. So what I can do now is I want to enable my network is by turning it on so that my PC can be seen by other users too. Now you just have to wait it for loading. So go to network, then click to change, turn on network discovery and file sharing. And click yes, turn on network. Okay, just wait. As you can see, my network folder is empty. This is because there is no one is connected uh, using the same Wi-Fi as me. But in common cases, there will be many lists of other laptop or devices that are connected with the IIUM student. As we did the tutorial in computer lab, there were so many laptop connected to IIM students Wi-Fi at Kuala of Education. However, if you want to be discovered but you don't want people to access your file, you can custom it. You can turn on this network discovery but turn it off for file and printer sharing. So in this case, you can be discovered, but people cannot change your file or cannot access your file in your computer. So I think that's all for enable and disabling computer network. And now I am going to turn it off as I don't want to be discovered by other people. So I think that's all for enabling and disabling network. Thank you.